Hi everyone, welcome to Drive and Fail 20, where as normal we're going to try and learn through some entertainment. Where were they going? Nicely fixed though. I'll also be pulling my viewers for driving poorly, just like in this clip.
Yeah. Tell you what, bloody hell.
That's what you get from just staring at the car that you're following. A perfect example of lack of planning. Also, driving too closely didn't help. Some people think undertaking isn't dangerous. This clip proves otherwise. It's dangerous because people aren't expecting you to be there. A large percentage of the time, undertakes happen because of poor lane discipline, and this can be aimed at my viewer in this clip. But watch closely the car that's just passed on the left. What are they doing this for? Is that to try and tell people they should be moving back to the left? And this is something my viewer needs to work on. This next fault for me seems to be happening more and more regularly. You watch the car that comes out from this side road on the left. Where are they going? Have a look at the bollard and these two vehicles approaching from behind. This overtake's even more dangerous.
Then I was like...
This clip shows a great example of people less vulnerable being looked after. But the motorist does a great job and the cyclist is honestly ridiculous. Good job our motorist has got brakes. I've mentioned this before, but when one road user stops at a set of lights and someone else goes through, it's often the most dangerous time. People don't pay enough attention in car parks. And this clip is so bad, it's comical. This lady reversing has no idea. Even the seagulls having a dinner get scared. The red Suzuki approaching from behind is the star of this clip. Residential, speed bumped, traffic calmed area. But they're going to overtake. Again, the other side of the bollards. This is only a few minutes further up the road. Shows you how worthwhile that was. I suspect many cities in the UK and in fact around the world are blessed with people like this Volkswagen driver. Just look out for them because they obviously don't care in the slightest. Where's the danger coming from in this clip? If you didn't think of that, get looking side to side at every light. Because it's more common than you think. If there's someone in your family who's getting old, sit in the car with them occasionally to make sure they're not like this. You'll actually be looking after them. Watch how close this lorry gets to this cyclist.
Jesus Christ.
My viewer is travelling way too close to the cars around them, but this is actually quite amusing. It's one way to transport your Ford Focus. I will also add it's dangerously overloaded. This is again the same viewer as the last clip, travelling way too close again. So even when there's an idiot BMW driver flying down the outside at the last minute, it gives you no chance to react if there was a problem. Remember, you're in charge of yourself, not others. And here again is my same viewer, back to their old tricks, this time in wet weather. And going back again to what I've just said is you can only control yourself, not others. This clip proves it hands down. I have no idea what this lorry driver was thinking. He's obviously trying to reprimand, but honestly, this is despicable. So to finish, we've got some more despicable driving from a lorry driver in poor weather conditions. This was actually reported to the company, and it was found out that the driver was someone transporting the lorry for maintenance. Keep safe everyone, and thanks a lot for watching, and if you haven't done already, if you could press that subscribe button, it would be much appreciated. See you next time.